YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Of course, this is Mimi, and if you're new here, cue the new intro. Today we're at the Oceaneden in Trelawny, Jamaica. If you've seen any of my hotel reviews, you will know that I did a review of the Ocean Coral Spring here in Trelawny, Jamaica, and today I'm actually staying at the adults only part of that hotel. So the Oceaneden Bay is the second part of the two-part Ocean Hotels in Trelawny, Jamaica. Ocean Coral Spring was of course opened in 2018, and Oceaneden Bay, which is the adults only part of the hotel, was opened in around October, thereabout October, November 2021. So this is a very new hotel. This is probably one of, if not the newest hotel in Jamaica right now. So I'm sure if you're checking out your next vacation destination in Jamaica, you would have come across at some point the Oceaneden Bay, maybe for some good or bad reasons, but I'm sure you would have heard about this new hotel, and I am here as usual to share my experience with you and to help you to make your decision as to whether to visit the Oceaneden Bay or not. Now today we're just gonna do a review of the hotel room. My room is on the 5th floor and I'm really excited to share it with you. One thing I really love about the rooms at the Ocean Hotels is that they're very spacious and they have a lot of storage space. The decor is very modern and tastefully done, and the room has everything you need without being too crowded. One of my favorite parts about this room is that behind the entrance door you'll find a full-length mirror, so you have no issues with being able to take your selfies, checking yourself before you step out the door. Super convenient. Now the room layout is pretty much the same as Ocean Coral Spring. The bathroom setup is pretty much the same. You have the toilet in a separate area from the shower. You have your his and hers sink, your vanity mirror, all the amenities, your shower gel, your shampoo, etc. There's a shaving kit, and of course your towels, your rags, as well as a scale. You're equipped with a safe and a minibar. Now bear in mind, your minibar does not come stocked. I'm not sure if that's the case for all the rooms here, but you need to call and request that your minibars be stocked. Moving into the room, I love that there are areas where you can open your luggage rather than leaving your luggage on the ground. So love that about Ocean Coral Spring as well as Oceaneden Bay. I love the furniture here as well. As I mentioned before, it's pretty modern and not doing too much at all. The wallpaper may be for some a bit crowded, but I think it adds quite a bit of character to the room. Now this is a pool view king size room, so we have a nice king size bed, and his and hers robes and bed slippers are provided as well. We have a large flat screen TV, and just like Ocean Coral Spring, they also have these reading lights on either side of the bed. Now you definitely have your study area and your white couch just like in Ocean Coral Spring, as well as that round mirror very close to the balcony door, which is super convenient, like I mentioned in my Ocean Coral Spring room tour, for doing your makeup, and it also works perfectly as a decor piece. I love it. We also have a cute little black coffee table with a bit of the wood trimming just to fit right into the rest of the decor of this room. The lighting fixtures are a bit minimal, but I still think very modern and tasteful and does what it's supposed to do. There is a bit of a wooden vibe in this room. One thing that's different here at Ocean Eden Bay in this room is that there is what looks like a wood laminate flooring rather than tiles. We do still have these fixtures on either side of the room, which, just like I mentioned in the Ocean Coral Spring room tour, doesn't serve much of a purpose other than just to be a part of the decor. Now, like I said, this is a very new hotel, just opened around about October, November of 2021. One would think that it would be spotless. I have to say, I always have to be honest in these reviews. The finishes are a bit off. I'm very sad to say, but there are paint marks on the wood laminate on the floor, like on a lot of the furniture. The furniture on the balcony has paint marks. There are scratches here and there on the wood and so on, maybe perhaps from, you know, bad handling with shipping and stuff. But it's very noticeable though. That's the problem. I mean, we don't expect everything to be perfect, right? We do expect everything to be perfect, but you know, you can give and take sometimes. But it's very noticeable, and I just want to be very honest about that. It's a really nice room, very comfy room. I like the room, I really do, but I have to let you know, when you get here, if your OCD is on 100, then you might have a problem, because there are some finishes that are a bit off, and like I said, it's very noticeable. Okay, so let's get back to another thing that's really nice about this room, and that's the balcony view. If you know me, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know I love a good balcony view. I love to be able to see the sea, the poolside. So let me show you exactly what that view looks like. We have a really nice view of the pool and of a little bit of the seaside, and I'm loving the property. It is beautiful. I'm definitely going to be doing a full walkthrough tour of this property for you, so definitely look out for that video. It's very relaxing and very beautiful to look at. So that's it, guys, for the room tour of the Ocean Eden Bay Hotel in Trelawny, Jamaica. Beautiful property. I hope you enjoyed this room tour. This is a really nice room, and I definitely think you would have a good time here. If you're trying to decide whether or not to come to this hotel, if only for just this room, I would say I give it a thumbs up. Even with just the few little things that could be corrected, I still give it a thumbs up, and I think it's worth the trip. This pool view king size room in particular, I think is perfect for a couples getaway. This hotel is a good option for you. Stay tuned and look out for my full hotel review. I still have a couple of nights left here, so stay tuned for that video if you want to know exactly what my experience is here at the Ocean Eden Bay. Until then, thank you so much for watching and take care.